Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aman Kumar. So today in this video session I'm going to talk about the top 3 vacancies which is coming in Lucknow location. So please watch this video if you are looking for a job and in a BPO sector or KPO sector. So this vacancy is going to be a very helpful in a Lucknow location. Okay, the vacancy is available in a different location, so please watch this video to the end without a skip, so that you are going to be clear cut idea basically what exactly the location is and what are the requirement of this particular job roles. Let's get started, guys. So the first job, as you can see in front of us, it's basically a BPO customer support service for the Lucknow location. It's required a 0 to 1 year experience. Most of the friends are basically a totally fresher, so this is going to be very helpful, guys. And the location is basically a Mohanlal Ganj, Gomti Nagar, as you can see over there, and you can easily reach there. And the salary which you are going to get up to 35k, and graduate or undergraduate both are basically welcome. If you are totally fresher, so there is no issue. But the one thing that you have to consider, flexible with the rotational shift, mostly night shift. Night shift यहाँ पे mostly आपकी रहने वाली है. So if you are totally comfortable with a night shift, so then you can go guys directly. Okay, it's a full-time permanent job. So this is the one update, and I will tell you how to apply it at the end of the video. No need to worry for that. Okay, let's jump to the second job. So guys, as you can see, the second customer support job, as you can see over there, this is also for the freshers, 0 to 4 year of experience. This is another job vacancy. It's a multinational company basically, and the package that you are going to get 2.25 to 3 LPA, as you can see over there. Yesterday this job is basically posted, 200 openings over there, but 34 people have only applied yet. Okay, so you have a great opportunity right now till now. Okay, and as you can see, we are hiring for the dedicated customer service role and domestic voice process in Lucknow. So this will be a domestic process. Okay, and there might have be a night shift for the UK and US process. Okay, the CTC that you can expect 24,000 CTC over there. That means not bad for the starting point. For the fresher prospect, I think it's too much and far good for you. If you have a good communication skill, you can directly go, guys. Okay, and here it's also mentioned like a domestic voice process will be a 17,000 CTC, and whatever the CTC that you have seen over there, guys, that is basically 24,000 CTC that you can see over there. This is for the UK process, guys. Okay, international voice process. If you can go for the international voice process, so this will be the CTC. But if you are going for the domestic process, so this will be the CTC. And you can directly you don't have to call him, directly send the resume. Okay, this is the basically number, Femina, it's basically the HR, and directly forward the mail or forward basically your resume on this particular WhatsApp number, guys. Don't try to call continuously. Okay, and this is a Hajatganj location, Lucknow, Gomti Nagar. Okay, this is a new vacancy that you can apply. Let's jump into the third job profile. So guys, this is the third job opening of customer service representative. The package is also for 2 to 3 year, and the job which I'm posting, guys, on the regular basis, this is fresher or experience both, right? As you can see, 0 to 2 year experience, because most of the friends are fresher over here. I know that. Okay, one day before 1 day it was opened. Okay, again 36 applicant apply, 100 vacancies over there. Still you have so many chances in this video, in this job profile, sorry. Bulk hiring for the Lucknow location, as you can see. Okay, customer support executive, 3 LPA depending upon the last withdrawal. Okay, 3 LPA will be the salary that you are going to get it. 24/7 it's a job. Education minimum 12th pass out is required. If you have a good communication skill, you can directly apply for this job role, guys. Okay, there is no doubt. Or how you can contact it, this is basically you can say this is the number. These are the two number, Anshika Talwari and Shrishti Patak. Okay, these are basically the HR number that you can see, guys. And I'm again requesting to you, only send your CV. Don't try to contact directly. Okay, don't try to contact, because so many people watch this video. So if you can continuously calling him, so they might be fed up, guys. Okay, so they might not going to respond to you. So only forward your resume and forward the mail to him. Requestfully, ma'am, I'm looking for a job. So please tell me what is the process. Like that. Okay, they will definitely connect you, because there are multiple openings over there. So this is what the update for today's. So if you are looking for jobs, so kindly subscribe to my channel. I'm uploading a regular basis of videos that can help you a lot, guys. Okay, so thank you so much, and follow me on Instagram. If you have any kind of queries and question, you can directly ask me, guys. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.